3.12% some.
Yes, maybe looking further down, we also see Michael Usi ajibanija Odia Zake when it's
Vice President.
Vice President incumbent.
He's at what? What's the percentage?
0.25%.
0.25%. Let's look at the figures. That's 653.
I think one of the vocal players during the campaign
anatamanga pa ground. Bwana Michael Usi anatamanga pa ground and with his office and of course his trail. If we were to tally, Menana Jitira led Saulos Klaus Chidima and Haya Campania, this guy has also covered a lot of ground, but it's not reflective on the numbers there.
That's right. Interesting.
Bana anatamanga
kwambili.
Bana wanachita liwilo lontondo doga koma sizi kuoneka.
Yeah, I think there are many questions that arise when it comes to him working with the current government and also
okay, so
this position.
We'll find out why.
Yes.
Team Itane Katswiri, we have a stellar cast of experts with us. Kuno Kuzodiak, we have one renowned and exceptional Peter Jegwa. We have Yamigani Jitete, exceptional and brilliant lady. She is going to also join us to dissect and talk about what these figures mean. We have one of them kuno kuti ndaka tswiri kuno. Ndukumanena kuti nkwanta. Mijonya. Ndaina yake ife tikatetemuka chonche apa tiwa itane ani yakeo kuti kodi atuuze kuti kodi what does this mean. Komabe before we go tingona be kuti kodi ku southern region kukuoneka bwanji some because itaona ku central region kuti kumene kujatu kubwerekera chichewa cha nzanga Peter Jegwa kuti akupalula achakwera pa central region. Tione kuti kodi ku southern region mpaluli ndi ndani chifukwa mpaluli wa pa central region ndi President Lazarus Chakwera. Out of the 45 constituencies kumwera apaluli akupalula motani. Let's look at that. You can start with the dashboard on your far end, Sam.
As we've been doing, Tiambe Kuntunda Arthur, Professor Arthur Peter Mtarika, 173 out of the 45 constituencies. I mean, we are Kafusulan. I mean, no one got the Akupalula to Kumeneku.
Apaluli ndi amutaliga ndi apaluli.
Yes.
Chigawo cha kumwera because if we look at the map here, I don't know if I'm not sindukuchingira komano. If you look at the map here, you can clearly see it's blue.
Yes.
It's blue from Nsanje, Chigwawa, Machinga here, Kupita uko Mangochi. So far from the 45 constituencies tallied, zikuoneka kuti akupalula ndi Arthur Peter Mtarika ndi 347,173 apaluli. Lazarus Chakwera is coming close.
Yes.
Is it close? Is it close enough though?
He's coming behind Arthur Peter Mtarika. But to say close maybe wouldn't be the right term, but 23,912, a significant figure. However, also important to panga note kuti Adalitsoka Bambe sali kutali ndi Achakwera.
Oh, hey, that's very interesting that you have noted.
Yes, yeah. 19,680.
Adalitsoka Bambe ndi Achakwera. Akukokana kwambiri. Ndikati ndi yeah, I don't think in nkoke kweni komano akuyandikana.
Sanafika kuti
we can't codify that as nkoke.
Yes, but it's interesting to see how close those figures are.
Those figures are close. But yes. I see nkoke pakati pa Phunziro Mvula ndi Michael Usi.
Yes.
This is Phunziro Mvula awa ali pa 940. Michael Usi ali pa 930. Umene undeti maucha nkoke when wa mavoti Chigawo cha southern region. At trading at 648 with a little known Akwame Patawe. I mean, Akwame Patawe is an interesting candidate. I think we should